So, welcome to episode 4 of my DIY guide to creating your own website. So, if you've missed any of the last 3 episodes, they should be on the screen somewhere. If they're not, I'll put them in a link below. So today I'm going to be discussing all of the optional pages that you can put on a website, or at least the main 3 optional pages that you should consider putting on your website. The last 3 episodes have gone through all the essential pages you need. So shall we start with, first off, a testimonials page. So if you offer a service or a consultancy, then a testimonial page is a brilliant addition to your website. It lets you showcase all the success stories or case studies that you have of working with people in and other companies. So the best time to collect these testimonials is at the completion of a project. But you can still go back to your clients or customers and ask for testimonials. They are brilliant because you can put these as reviews on Google, on Facebook, if that's what people use, if that's what your customers use. So it's not only a great way of showcasing your past successes, but it's also a great way of getting feedback on how to improve your products and services. But you amongst these, you'll find testimonials will be under a number of different names. So you'll have case studies, success stories, or just the simple plain old testimonial page. It's like I said, it's a huge thing that you can use, and if you're not using it as kind of someone that offers a service, you're missing out big time. It's something that's grown out of kind of business to consumer products, where buying a product, asking for a review, it's the same sort of thing. So if you're not using it, you're missing out hugely. The second optional page I want to discuss is the terms and disclaimers page. So it might sound like counterintuitive in bias, but you don't need to kind of get tangled up with these pages right away. So it might sound like terms and conditions. You don't need to get tangled up with them, so long as you have them somewhere that you can provide your customers with them when they get in touch. That's all you need to begin with. But adding them to your website is a great way of kind of taking out unnecessary conversations that your customers need to have with you. So first things first, get your website up and running, and once you begin attracting clients, you can add this page or the terms and disclaimers pages further down the line. Simply put, it's what are the terms of doing business with you? How do you pay? How do you get paid? Are you on do you offer 30-day credit limits? Do you offer 60-day credit limits? Is it pay before the service is completed? Is it 50% upfront, 50% on completion? It covers a whole range of things that you need to sit down with kind of a legal advisor potentially and discuss how you want your business to run is basically what the terms and disclaimers are asking. So the blog and the newsletter are a great way of marketing your business for a start. Content marketing, which I'll be doing a video of in a couple of weeks' time, hopefully. We'll discuss some blog posts and newsletters further. But a blog post is a brilliant way of showing that you know something. Your home and your about page give your visitors a good start in letting them know who you are and what you think. But that blog page lets you give more information, more up-to-date information that about things that are going on in your industry. So if there's a new update released by Google, for example, writing a blog post on how that affects, say, the search industry, will let your customers know that you're on top of things and you're up to date with the latest regulations and latest changes, and just helps build that trust even more that you've kind of started off in the About Us page. So for example, there's other questions that you can answer, things like Quora, or I think it's ask the audience. It's something along those lines. a brilliant tool for finding out what people are actually searching about your industry. You type in a keyword and all the search terms that have come up for that will come up. Same with Google Trends, will work the same sort of way. So creating these kind of article style titles for your blog posts will let people find them when they search for those related topics on search engines. So it boosts your SEO as well. It boosts your search rankings, and it kind of puts that thought leadership process out there so that people know that you can be trusted and that you kind of know what you're talking about as well. So posting them on your social media profiles, your Google My Business profile, which again I'll be talking about in another video. All of that, and getting your friends, your family, your clients, even if you're discussing a problem that's particular to them or you've used them in a case study, get your clients to share it on their social profiles. It will help bring more potential clients to your website, as well as showing that as well as showing from your clients and that they're kind of investing in improvement and that they're willing to invest to make sure they are top of their game as well. So while the blog post is classed as an optional page in this, me personally, I would highly recommend having one, as well as regularly creating posts on there to share, and then just regularly resharing them, I suppose. So if you write a post, say next month, you could share it next month, obviously, a couple of months after that, and a couple of months after that, and it just keeps things in the top of people's minds that you know what you're going on about. And by creating those updates to the blog posts, or even down the line just having another blog post as an addition, it will just help with that trust factor that people will have with you. So thank you for tuning into episode 4. Unfortunately, that is the last episode I will be doing for now on the DIY guide to creating your own website. If you haven't already, go check out the downloadable workbook that is on my website. I'll put a link below. If you've missed any of the other 3 episodes, they should be on the screen. If not, I'll add them into the description again. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll be posting more videos on digital marketing and how you can help market your business. So if you've enjoyed this, just let me know in the comments or drop me a message on my website. Hopefully I'll see you soon.